Guys, let's clean this toilet of our story. So, about 15 years ago, I was dating a guy online. Well, I don't know whether to call it dating or just playing around. It was like this. I met this guy on Facebook. He was from Germany and it was really nice. And I was like, oh, it's my lucky time. It's my lucky day. Hey, I've finally got something nice. So we start by giving this toilet enough soap and then soaking it for some minutes. As we waited to soak, we can be cleaning the other rooms. So this guy would call me. Let's say his name was Michael and he has a dog. Let's say the dog was Rex, just a small dog. So he would call me every day during the daytime when he was in the woods. So he had like a routine every day. He never missed a day calling me, and we'll talk on video like for 1.5 hours, and it went on like that until we had quote dated for a whole year. So now I was already seeing myself in Germany with my Mr. Michael. So this continued and I started asking him, by the way, when do you plan to fly here? Because we cannot continue dating online forever. And he told me he cannot travel because apparently he was sick in the head. Like he had a brain problem and he couldn't fly for a long distance. So I had to go meet him. Remember, 15 years ago, I didn't even have a passport. I didn't know where to start. So maybe he was just playing around. You can see the cleaning is taking, it's going on well, right? I hope you're enjoying. So we continued. He would call me every day, and when I'm not at home, he would call me at night. And I was falling in love. Also, I thought. Now, here is something funny that happened. One day at night, I saw a call from Germany, and this time it was not a WhatsApp call. It was a real phone call, like a direct call. And I was like, what? He has never called me direct. He always calls me on WhatsApp. So I answered the call, and behold, a woman was speaking to me. She didn't even let me speak. She told me, my sister, you know I'm also an African like you, but I'm here in Germany, and I know Michael usually calls you. I see your calls, I see the photos he sends you, I see the photo you send him, and let me tell you, we are engaged. I didn't say a word because I was just frozen. How can my 1-year relationship just end like that? She continued. She talked and talked as I listened, and then she hung up. So I asked Michael, why didn't you tell me you're engaged? For a whole year you've been giving me false hopes. And it was like, okay, to tell you the truth, I was having 2 girls at a go, and I was trying to weigh my option, and this one had her means to come here, so it was easy. But I told him, that's not right, you seem like an upright person. And he said, well, it is what it is. So my dear me, I lost a whole 1 year dating online. It's funny, I know. We never got to meet each other. Maybe he never planned to. But this goes to men and women. Why do that? Why give someone hope for a whole year plus just because you're having fun of it? Have you ever dated online? What has your experience been? You can share with us if you've come this far. Our toilet is clean now, as you can see. It was really dirty when we started, and I think we've gotten this far. It's better, and I hope you have enjoyed this cleaning video, and that was a true story, nothing made up. So see you on the next one, and thank you for being here. My parting shot is, don't try to date online. It's a waste of time. If you cannot move to the person you think you're dating, don't try. Just go into your town center and find someone there. It will be much cheaper and much better. Ciao, ciao. See you later. Thank you for keeping me company.